Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Friday, January 13th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I thought now that our cutoff date is over and our back offices have been updated that I would show you how quickly our team is growing and give you my 3-week results with LiveGood, okay? I joined LiveGood back on December 21st, 2022, so I've been in it just over 21 days, and I just cannot believe how quickly our team is growing and how this company is just exploding all over online, okay? I mean, this company is truly revolutionizing the network marketing industry for several different reasons, but I want to stick to the point on this, okay? So this is from December 2022, all right? You see this right here. So from December 21st to December 31st, this is what my stats look like, all right? I had 6 out of 10 needed to become a silver, so I was ranked bronze. I ranked bronze within my first couple of days, and that's basically just referring 2 people. All right, having 2 personal referrals. My team for the month was 35 out of the 20 needed, and then I had 1 leg that was bronze out of the 3. But now watch this. I'm going to click and show you my updates since January 1st and what everything looks like now. All right, so I'm 11 out of 30, and it says personally enrolled, need it for gold. So again, I'm ranked silver. I have 173 team members that have come in. And this is the number that I just cannot get over. 173 people underneath me in the matrix that I'm going to be earning on every single month, which it's just incredible. And then I have 1 out of 3 legs with silver needed for gold. All right, so I'm super excited about this aspect of it and the 173 people, and I'm just going to show you my team really quickly. All right, so I'm just going to click on Enroller Tree, show you I have 11 personally referred people. 5 of them are new this month. And then if I go down to all levels, I'm just going to show you what this looks like here. And this is just from this month, so this isn't counting the people that I had from December. 138 new members under me this month, okay? And I'm just going to show you the matrix list view. All right, look at this, folks. I earn on all of these people, all right? So when you add this up, it's a total of 158 people right now. The people that come in this week will be added to this next week and any spillover that I might get. But, I mean, this is crazy. Look at this. Level 7, 32 people on my level 7, 20 on my level 8. All the way down to level 13, I have 8 people. 158 total people that I'm going to be earning money on in the matrix every single month moving forward, all right? And the way that this company is blowing up, these numbers are just going to continue to go up every single week, okay? So that is my 3-week update, all right? I am ranked silver, so now my goal is to get to 30 personal referrals so that I reach the gold level. That opens up some more in the matrix, more levels in the matrix. All right, just while you're on here, I'm going to show you this right here. All right, we have 2 ways basically that you can earn. You can sit back and not do anything and just wait for spillover to happen, all right, which will take time, and eventually people will fall under you in the matrix because there's only, if you're already locked in, then the people coming in are going to have to go under you somewhere, all right? Doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to fall into your matrix, but eventually over time you will receive spillover into your matrix, all right? And by doing that, if you just sat here and did nothing, look right here. You can be an unranked member, okay, unranked, and if your matrix is filled, you're going to earn $2,047.50 per month, okay? That's by doing absolutely nothing. And it might take you, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, I don't know, all right? There's no guarantee. But if you were to come in here, pay your $40 affiliate sign-up fee and then $9.95 a month and do nothing and just wait patiently, eventually, when your matrix is filled out, you would earn $2,047.50. Now, if you come in here and pay your $49.95 and refer 2 people, it doesn't matter if it's a spouse, an adult child, a friend. We all know people who are looking to get healthy and or looking to supplement their income. All right, so this is an easy sell for anybody. The products are absolutely fantastic. I'm drinking the Super Reds right now out of my shaker cup here. I just love this stuff. I'm addicted to it. But with 2 personally enrolled members, all right, you're going to open up your 13th level of the matrix, all right, which I just showed you. I already have people down here on level 13. and look at the possible money you can make if your matrix fills out. All right, you're doubling it just by referring 2 people. All right, so that's why I always say when you come into this, if you join it, just get 2 people on board. It doesn't matter. Sign up your grandmother, sign up your husband or wife. You know, show them the opportunity. Tell them that this is. I compare this to as if you were to partner with Jeff Bezos when he started Amazon out of his garage. All right. For those of you who don't know, Jeff Bezos started Amazon out of his garage. He was selling used books back in the day when Amazon first started. All right, so imagine partnering with him way back then and riding the wave all the way up until now with Jeff Bezos, right? I mean, that's how I look at this. This is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity where you can actually join a program for $49.95 and then just pay $9.95 a month and make money doing absolutely nothing. All right, we have no auto ship requirements. You don't have to even buy products if you don't want to. You can literally just come in here, pay the $49.95 and the $9.95 each month, sit back, and wait for spillover. All right, if that's the type of person you are. If you want to make things happen faster and get paid even more money, then come in here, refer 2 people. All right. So what I'm doing for everybody who uses the link down in the description box is I am taking your page, I'm putting it into our team rotator, and I'm driving traffic to it every day to help jumpstart your business for you. All right. And I'll keep you in the team rotator until you reach the bronze level. Okay? So that's what I'm doing to help people out. And if you want to learn more about the business opportunity, just click on the link down in the description box. You'll be taken over to a page that looks like this. All right, we have a 5-minute and 55-second video here that goes over everything about our company. And then if it's something that you like, you can put your first name, last name, and email and reserve your position in the matrix. Okay? So that's it for this video. I ranked up to silver. My next goal is to hit gold. And I just can't believe this company is blowing up the way it is, okay? I mean, this is just, I've been doing this for 16 years and I've never seen anything like it. In fact, I have people who I've personally signed up who have never made any money in network marketing who have people underneath them already. All right? They're already making money. So it's just incredible to watch this. I mean, again, the team is great behind LiveGood. Ben Glinsky, Nadar Gazan, Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. The support staff is awesome. The products are great. Like I said, if you've been watching my videos, you know I'm taking this every single day, these products, and I have been since December 28th. And I'm just full of energy, super focused, losing weight, feeling great, and super excited to see where this is all going to be, where we're all going to be next year at this time. All right. So anyway, if you have any questions about this, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It greatly helps me, and I do appreciate it very much. All right. So that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.